This is a review on the Nact bar in the Coco Crunch flavour. So this is one of my favourite flavours, the Coco Crunch, and it's 18% protein in this, so I always eat it after the gym. It's gluten-free and wheat-free and dairy-free as well. So it's perfect for vegans and vegetarians. It won't leave you feeling like really like sleepy and tired with all that like wheat in there and gluten. Soft and crunchy at the same time. It's really great for post-workouts. I know I've been saying that a lot in the other Nact bar videos, but it's really, that's when I like to eat these the most. But the chocolate one, the cocoa one, I keep saying chocolate, but it's cocoa. I like to snack on like late at night and stuff like that as well, which is naughty, but it's not that naughty because it is a very healthy bar. I love the packaging as well. It tells you exactly what is in there by the colour, the little picture on the side of the chocolate or the cocoa. And also it's brown as well. It's really soft. The packaging is really of very good quality. It is 30 grams in weight, and it has a breakdown basically of like all the food ingredients over there. I think in two different languages, or 2 or 3 different languages on the back, which is really helpful as well. And what's really great is that it's made in Britain, because we don't have a lot of things made in Britain anymore. I'm from the British Isles, and there's not a lot of things that are made in Britain. So this is great. It's not that expensive, but I have said before that I would like these to be a bit bigger because I want a bit more food. I'm a foodie and I love to eat, so I love the taste of these bars and they're really great snacks, but my only criticism is that I'd love it to be a bit bigger, like a bit bigger and chunkier, like in thickness and in length as well, because I just think I'd enjoy them better if there was a bit more to enjoy. It'd really help me out if you could put a little thumbs up for the video and share the video with your fellow vegans or vegetarians, or you don't have to be vegan or vegetarian. Also, check out these bars, guys, and tell me what you think of them. If you guys have tried them out, tell me which is your favourite flavour. And if you haven't, tell me which one you think you want to try. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram @Bobby's Vlog, my Snapchat, Twitter, and my other YouTube channel as well, and Periscope. My main YouTube channel. Check out my food Instagram account as well, and for a chance to be featured on there, all you have to do is use the hashtag #Bobby'sFood and tag me as well, so that I can check out your food picture and hopefully put you up on my food account and give you some Instagram exposure. So I hope you guys like the video, and I will catch you guys pretty soon.